Hello everyone, my name is Frank, and today I will be reviewing a great little tool that can help you determine the speed of your hard drives. This tool can be used on a network map drive to check the speed of your network folder, and it can also be used on an iSCSI drive if you have one, or simply just a SATA drive connected to your machine. Its interface is simple and easy to understand. It requires no installation, and it simply runs in memory during the time that you're using the program. It creates a small temp folder on the drive that it is testing, and it deletes that folder after the test is complete. So it really bears no negative impact on your computer. As you can see, when I launch the software, all I have to do is simply click Run and allow it to run. I'll move this over to my main screen. As you can see in the graphic interface, it'll show you all your drives. Nice and easy to understand. There's no guesswork as to which drive you're testing or anything like that. For this particular test, I will be using the 64 kilobyte default block size. I'm going to click on my V drive. So this way it's also clear as to which drive I am testing, and then I click the Start button. As you can see during the test, the read and write speeds are very easy to understand. There's no guesswork as to, well, how fast is this drive truly working at, or anything like that. And the one thing that's nice about this new version of Parkdale is that at the end of both tests, the read and the write, it also shows a quick latency test on the drive as well. Now, if you want to get Parkdale, there's a couple ways you can do that. You can go to Google and you can type in the term Parkdale hard drive speed test. That's one of your choices. You can click on the Softpedia Parkdale link, usually near the top, and it'll most likely be the default, or the latest version, I should say. If you click on that link, you'll notice there's, well, in some cases you might see a couple different download buttons, and that might be a bit confusing as to which one do we truly want. When we hover over this download button, we'll actually see where it says click here to download Parkdale. So we click on that. It takes us to the download page. I generally choose the Softpedia secure servers just because it's probably a lot less likely that you're going to have any problems with the software in terms of malware or anything else that you don't want. Click on the link, and of course we save it to our local hard drive. Now, we're not going to go through that test because there's just no point in doing that. However, you get the understanding of how that works. Your other option would be to simply go to Softpedia and also type in the term Parkdale. That should bring up your option to download that software as well. Now, there's many uses for this particular piece of software. If you have multiple hard drives on your computer, as I do here, and you're wondering which one of these drives would be the best one to perhaps run virtual machines off of, naturally you want to find the one that's the fastest because you get your best performance off of that. Or perhaps maybe you have an iSCSI drive that you're connected to and it's connecting up across the network, but you're not sure why it's running slower, if it's even truly running slow. This tool will allow you to get a benchmark for that particular test. And best of all, this tool is free. So give it a try and you'll probably find how great this tool truly is. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I plan to post more helpful videos in the future.